Hey there, Brock Elementary students and parents. It is Miss Griffith here with just information for you on first day of school stuff for Brock Elementary. First of all, it was awesome seeing all the kids and parents last night at Meet the Teacher. And we have been working so hard all day today. The teachers are about to head home and get ready. Good night's sleep for tomorrow so that we'll be here ready for you guys and enjoying and welcoming everybody coming in the door. So first things first, um, starting at all the teachers will be in their classrooms ready for parent and for teachers, excuse me, for parents to walk their kiddos down to the classroom at 7:30. If you get to the school before 7:30, we're going to have kindergarten and pre-K kiddos with their parents in the cafeteria, and first and second grade in the gym. And if your kids are riding the bus to school, we will have a full staff of folks there ready to greet them and get them to where they need to be. So no worries about that. At 7:30, we'll allow or let everybody go down to their classrooms, take pictures, and then head on out so that we can make sure that we keep traffic flowing and all those kinds of things. Um, I'll go back to lunchroom prices, which you can read that right there. They've changed a little bit from last year. Breakfast is $2.25 and lunch is $3. Parking, first day parking. So tomorrow, basically what's going to happen is this is 1189 and this is Eagle Spirit, which the high school is back here. So what you're going to do, this is going to turn into one way. Okay, so that people can park all the way along here. There is parking back here. There's also parking right here, which is in that side of the building that you pass when you're going on Eagle Spirit. And we want to remind parents that everybody needs to enter through the front doors of the school. So these other side and back entrances will be locked, and we ask that everybody goes to the front door. And so you can exit through this little exit right here. You'll also be able to exit right here, which is in the front of the school, which typically that's a staff only and bus only entrance. So let's talk about that. The next day will be a normal traffic flow where this roundabout that goes, you'll pull into Eagle Spirit, you'll pass that first entrance, you will not enter here, and you'll go and take, excuse me, a left onto this road and go all the way around. You'll loop around, pull up, and then you can drop your kiddos off right there. Or you can park if you're going to walk them into the doors, which on the second day, we're just allowing parents to walk their kiddos to either the cafeteria if they're kindergarten and the gym if they're first grade, and there will be lots of staff there to make sure everybody gets where they need to be. So this is the way that drop-off line will go, and then you'll go all the way back around to get out. Again, be patient with us tomorrow. Be patient with your fellow drivers in line, as it's always a little hectic on the first day and really the first week. But things will smooth out, and we're going to do everything in our power to make sure that we are, taking notes on what we can actually adjust. And so a couple other need to knows. Again, we ask that we all wait about 2 weeks before you come up and eat with your kiddos, just because it's really hard on the kids for moms to come and then leave, or dads or grandparents or whatever. It allows us the time to really build relationships with these kids and to really help them establish a routine, which is so important for our littles when they come in the door. If you have some sort of extenuating circumstance, such as a birthday or something like that, just reach out to me and we'll figure something out. Again, everyone is, of course, welcome to walk their kid in tomorrow on the first day, take pictures, all that kind of stuff. And then after that, for the next 7 days, parents can walk their child to the gym or the cafeteria. And then after that time, we're going to have you guys kind of to drop them at the door of either one of those, whichever place that they go, if you're going to walk them in. And I promise you, we will take care of them. They get used to the routine, and we've got lots of staff around and ready to just make sure that everybody feels supported and good. And so, anyways, that's some information that I felt like was important for you on the first day. And again, we'll start allowing everybody into the classrooms at 7:30 tomorrow. And we look forward to seeing you. We've worked really hard to make sure that this is going to be a fantastic year for all of our sweet kids and all of our parents. And so we look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow. Go Eagles.